Hello people, welcome to Prep UG. Today we'll discuss a very important topic, that is prepositions. This is one topic where you have the potential to score a lot, but then errors happen, and the reason is quite obvious. Fixed rules होते हैं इसके लिए. Even if you think that this answer is going to be correct, it may not be correct. Okay, so today let us try and cover at least the most frequently asked prepositions so that we don't make a mistake there. Alright, let's begin. Okay, first we are going to discuss prepositions of place and time. In, where do you use in? Generally for enclosed spaces, okay, where there is a boundary and you put something inside it. Let's say you put your shoes in a box, put the pencils in the pencil box. Space है ना, defined boundary है, that is where we used in a room, or let's say in a few months or in a few years, or let's say in a particular year, in 2026, in 2025, he will turn 20 in 2026. So whenever there is a specific month, specific year, that is also where we use in as a preposition. On is when we are talking about surface, on the surface, not inside it, okay, on it, है ना, surfaces के लिए, on the table, or on particular days or dates, on Monday, on 25th December 2025. So days के लिए, dates के लिए on, months and year के लिए in. Okay, at is even more specific than that. Specific points at the entrance or precise time at 9 p.m. So when we go into the specific details, that is when we use at as a preposition. Okay, so in, on, at. I hope you've understood. Easy hai? Okay, movement and direction. Into, whenever you get into something, there is motion and you're getting into it. So into the pool, right? So movement to the inside. He jumped into the pool. ऐसे जब आप अंदर की तरफ जा रहे हो किसी चीज के और मूवमेंट के साथ वो चीज हो रही है. स्टैग्नेंट चीजों के लिए इन होता है. इनटू इज मूवमेंट इनसाइड विथ मोशन. हाँ, एक स्पीड के साथ, एक मोशन के साथ. ओके, ऑन टू, देखो ऑन से ऑन टू, इन से इनटू. इट इज मूवमेंट बट ऑन अ सरफेस. द कैट क्लाइम्ड ऑन टू द रूफ. मतलब मूवमेंट तो हो रहा है बट रूफ के अंदर तो नहीं चली जाएगी कैट, ठीक है, उसके ऊपर ही वो बैठेगी, बट क्योंकि मूवमेंट के साथ वो चीज हो रहा है इसीलिए वो ऑन नहीं होकर ऑन टू हो जाता है. ठीक है, टुवर्ड्स. सो इन द डायरेक्शन ऑफ, शी वॉक्ड टुवर्ड्स द लाइब्रेरी. जब आप किसी चीज के डायरेक्शन में जाते हो तो हम उसमें टुवर्ड्स यूज करते हैं. ठीक है, बिटवीन, ये इजी है, ये बहुत कॉमन, इसमें एरर्स भी कभी कभी हो जाते हैं, बट बिटवीन इज फॉर टू पीपल. Divide the cake between the two brothers. Among is for more than two. So let's say distribute the cake among the students. Okay, so more than two, among the students. Two people या things के लिए between, among is more than two. Beside and besides, confuse नहीं होना है. Beside मतलब next to something. Position, beside is position. Okay, next to something. Sit beside me. और जब s यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाता है ना, when it becomes besides, it is in addition to. Besides English, I know French. काश कि मुझे आता, मुझे नहीं आता है, but besides English मतलब in addition to English, I also know French. तो उसमें besides आता है. ठीक है, तो beside मतलब next to something, besides means in addition to something. Okay? Yes. This is a very important slide. I will suggest you just take a picture of it, take a screenshot and keep it with you. These are some of the high frequency fixed prepositions. That means ये एक साथ ही चलते हैं. This is how we use these words. These are grammatically correct, idiomatically correct. इसको आप change नहीं कर सकते. That is why they are known as fixed prepositions. Whenever you try to take a guess for such prepositions, most of the times you will end up getting them wrong because ये fixed हैं. This is not usually situational, this is not usually context based, it is just a fixed set of things that you should be knowing. Okay, so abstain from, एब्सटेन फ्रॉम लिकर मतलब मेंटेन योर डिस्टेंस, अवॉइड लिकर, एब्सटेन के बाद फ्रॉम. accustomed to मतलब used to, get accustomed to the new rules or the new surroundings. acquainted with जान पहचान बढ़ाना, acquaintance जान पहचान, so acquainted with. adapt to a situation. afraid of, I am afraid of spiders, afraid of always. apologize for something, he apologized for his rude behavior. Okay. aware of, are you aware of the new rules? believe in, do you believe in ghosts? Okay. capable of, he is capable of achieving his dreams. all right. comply with, compliance follow करना, compliance होना चाहिए, so comply with a set of rules. okay. congratulate on, he congratulated me on my success. याद रखना है ये सारी चीजें. okay. these are fixed prepositions. deprive of, he was deprived of food and shelter during his rough trail. okay. deprived of मतलब he had no access to food or shelter. तो ये fixed prepositions है, ये हमें याद रखना है. ओके. कुछ और prepositions देख लो. different from, ठीक है, different is followed by from. eligible for, are you eligible for the scholarship? right. familiar with, are you familiar with this neighborhood? guilty of, he is guilty of wasting his time unnecessarily. indifferent to, okay, indifferent to a lot of things when you don't care about it, right? matlab no love, no hate, nothing, very very neutral, indifferent to. insist on, he insisted on staying at my place for the day. keen on, he is keen on pursuing a new hobby. loyal to, he is loyal to his best friend or loyal to his partner. prevent from, this medicine prevents from bacterial infections. okay. rely on, you should not rely on someone else for little things. okay. that means depend नहीं करना लोगों पे छोटी छोटी चीजों के लिए. similar to, he is similar to his brother in many ways. tired of, I am tired of repeating the same thing again and again. worthy of, he is worthy of success. so these were a few high frequency fixed prepositions which you should definitely know. ये list endless है definitely. तो बट ये कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें हैं जो बार बार रिपीट होती है किसी ना किसी वे में. एरर स्पॉटिंग में हो सकता है, डायरेक्टली फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स हो सकता है, बट यू शुड डेफिनेटली नो दीज वर्ड्स. राइट. ओके. चलो ये देखते हैं कुछ क्वेश्चंस. दीज आर अगेन यू नो वेरी एग्जाम बेस्ड काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस. ही इज प्रोफिशिएंट इन, प्रोफिशिएंट इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय इन एंड देन द स्किल. प्रोफिशिएंट इन कोडिंग. डिवाइड द केक, क्या होगा? 4 लोग हैं, बिटवीन नहीं होगा, अमंग होगा, अमंग द 4 of them. She is married to, you are always married to a person, not married with. A lot of people say this, she is married with. No, you are not married with, you are married to a person. ठीक है, ये याद रखने की गलती हो जाती. Do not jump to conclusions. Do not jump to conclusions. Okay? I haven't seen him for ages. For ages. अब देखो ये समझो since और for में काफी लोगों को confusion होता है. For is when you have a duration. ठीक है? Since is when that duration is very precise. Now ages मतलब काफी टाइम से मैं किसी चीज को जानती हूँ, बट कब से एग्जैक्टली वो डिफाइंड नहीं है. बट इफ आई टेल यू आई हैव नोन हिम सिंस 2020, डिफाइंड है ना, कब से मैं किसी चीज़ को जान रही हूँ या किसी को जान रही हूँ, तो जब ऐसी चीज़ें होती है तो सिंस होता है, बट जब डिफाइंड नहीं होता ना वो पीरियड, तब होता है फॉर. आई हैवंट सीन हिम फॉर एजेस, आई हैवंट सीन हिम सिंस द लास्ट 2 months, इस तरह से. ओके, वी अराइव्ड एट द एयरपोर्ट. एट होता है स्पेसिफिक. आई एम फॉन्ड ऑफ, फॉन्ड इज ऑलवेज फॉलोड बाय ऑफ. He died of, when you die of a particular cause, ये off होता है. Deal with this problem, you always deal with something. I differ with you on this. ठीक है. Aim at, you aim at something, at the target. You aim at something. Listen to me, ये easy है. Good at, you're good at a skill, good at a subject. Surprised by the news. Okay, ये देखो, you are either surprised by the news or surprised with the news. Look at the mirror. Okay, look at the mirror. इसमें दोनों ही चीजें चलती है. सरप्राइज, यू आर ईदर सरप्राइज्ड बाय समथिंग या सरप्राइज्ड विथ समथिंग. ओके, these are, okay, just a minute. Okay, ये with नहीं होता है, sorry, this is my mistake, this is at. Okay, this is a correction from my end. You are either surprised by the news or you are surprised at the news, you are not surprised with the news. So देखो, ये errors हो ही जाते हैं prepositions में, because it is very very memory based. So I would just request कि आप रेगुलरली इनको रिवाइज करो, ताकि ये जो कन्फ्यूजन है ना, जो कभी कभी मुझे भी हो जाता है ऑब्वियसली पढ़ाते पढ़ाते, ये ना हो. ठीक है, ये आंसर्स है, यू कैन चेक. दिस इज होमवर्क फॉर यू. ओके, ये सारी चीज़ें ऑलमोस्ट आप कवर्ड है, और कुछ चीज़ें नई भी डेफिनेटली होंगी, राइट, अदरवाइज हम सीखेंगे कैसे. तो ये सारे आंसर्स आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में बता सकते हो, ताकि हम एक साथ चेक कर पाए कि सही हो रहा है या नहीं हो रहा है. I hope this session has been useful. Prepositions में बहुत ज़्यादा rules नहीं होते हैं. It is very very memory based and practice based definitely. So thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.